Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clear Safari history, cache and cookies on your iPhone 17 Air. If you want to free up some space, improve Safari performance, or simply protect your privacy, then clearing history, cache and cookies on your iPhone 17 Air will be the best solution for you. So let's open settings, and you have to scroll all the way down to apps. And of course, from this list you want to find your Safari application. And now you want to scroll down to tab that is called History and Website Data and press button Clear History and Website Data. Of course, you want to set a time frame, so you can select all history, and additionally, but you can do that, you can set close all tabs, and let's press Clear History button. And you have to wait a little bit until your Safari history, cache and all of your cookies will be deleted, so that it's like a little browser reset for your Safari. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.